Animals are very loyal and loving creatures, and they feel much more intensely than you think. That's why a reunion with a pet always looks so heartwarming. And here's another example. When the owner of this dog had to stay in a hospital, it came to the door every day, waiting for him to return, and finally, and this boy got the best Christmas gift. A reunion with his missing cat. And here's a reunion between a scuba diver and his friend, an Asian sheepshead wrasse. Back in the day, he treated the fish after an injury, and they've been friends for over 25 years. Just take a look at how a pack of wolves greets their adoptive mother after not seeing her for 2 months. This woman has been taking care of this lioness since it was 4 months old, visiting the animal nearly every day. Look how happy this baby Capuchin monkey is to see its grandma. And this beautiful little bird was found in the grass when it was a chick. This woman raised it without putting the bird in a cage, and now the bird comes to visit her every day. And this elephant lives in a nature park for elephants with disabilities and elephants that suffered animal cruelty. Here it is getting a friend. The animal is falling asleep to her lullaby. And this is an adorable reunion with the favorite dog after a year apart. Everyone was searching for this parrot for several days when it was finally reunited with its owners thanks to social media and a kind person who found the bird in his chicken coop. And this deaf and blind dog recognized its friend by scent, even after a year of not seeing him due to the pandemic. And here's another happy reunion between a dog and its owner. Imagine the grief this dog must have gone through when its adoptive cow mom was sold and taken away. Seeing the suffering of the dog, the owner brought the cow back, and here's their heartwarming reunion when a dog cried happy tears. And this lioness greets her savior like this every morning. In 2012, he saved her from a farmer's holding pen and raised her as his own. This dog went missing, and the family has been looking for months. And here's their reunion.
Ikaw nga yan! Oh my God! Oh boy! Aray! Ang dungis-dungis ng aso ko! Hello! Ang bantot-bantot pa! Ha? Bakit ka nandito?
6 months before, this family parted with their dog because they moved from Dubai to the UK. The new family decided not to keep the dog, and this girl's mom accidentally saw a classified ad searching for a new home for the dog. This time, Holly, the dog, came with the family, never to part ways again. This man is on his way to a dog he hasn't seen for 10 months due to moving abroad. And here is their emotional reunion.
Have you got my mask? I missed you. I did. You're so super skinny, my baby.
This dog went missing 2 years ago, and while its owner was searching, it was picked up by other people. But the dog ran away and ended up on the streets. A kind person found it and managed to track down the first owner thanks to the chip. This 8-year-old German Shepherd worked as a sniffer dog and was separated from its mentor due to retirement. But when he came to visit the dog, and here's a reunion with a cat that went missing 13 years ago.
Oh my goodness.
The face of this new mom, still nursing her pups, was damaged as a result of a wild pig attack. The vet suggested putting the dog out of her misery, but the owner did not give up, and the dog underwent complex surgery. After a long course of treatment, they could finally reunite.
세 마리는 새 주인 만나서 적응을 하고 보냈고요.
A parrot named Hugo accidentally flew out through an open door and ended up on a runway of the Dublin airport. Thankfully, it was rescued and returned to the owner. And this vulture visited a farmer who treated the bird's broken leg a while ago. Look at the way it spreads its wings, as if it's trying to hug its savior. And this odd couple were friends for 6 months when suddenly the golden retriever stopped visiting the cow for several months. And look how happy they are to reunite with each other. And this lion lost half of its body weight when it was taken away from the woman who rescued the animal from a circus. She took good care of the lion, but it was taken away and brought into a zoo. After ending up in the open space, the lion stopped eating. But it was able to reunite with its adoptive mother, and watch how happy the animal is. What can be better than finding your puppy after thinking it was lost forever? And this elderly man lost his Doberman, but 3 days later, a police officer managed to find the dog.
Oh, Arrow, where have you been? My buddy, where have you been, my friend? This is absolutely incredible. My God, thank you, Angel. What a beautiful man you are.
And this woman visited a kangaroo in an animal rescue. Every morning, these elephants run to their human friend to say hello. And this is a unique friendship between a tiger and a person who raised her from when she was 3 months old. They hug, kiss, and if they fight, it's all just messing around. And this monkey hasn't seen its friend in a whole year. And this person raised a male gorilla in the Howlett's Wild Animal Park in England, and then released it in Africa. They met again 5 years later. This dog was really missing its owner while she was in the army.
Passengers arriving on American Airlines Flight 652 from Phoenix, your nationality also known.
This family found their lost dog after 8 months. And this is a happy reunion of a lioness called Kiara with her adoptive human dad.
¿A qué hora comieron? Porque la veo un poco gorda.
And this chimpanzee was born with pneumonia and was therefore rejected by its mother. It was nursed back to health by these people, and look at their reunion after 2 months of not seeing each other. And this dog got lost in the mountains and was found 2 weeks later, having lost a third of its body weight. Look how happy it is to be reunited with its family. That adorable moment when a wild gray seal comes close to the diver and hugged him underwater. And these elephants were reunited after 20 years apart. That's what missing each other looks like. Have you ever seen anything more adorable? That's all for today. Subscribe to our channel to make sure we never have to be apart.